This is downward facing dog. So index fingers come parallel, and you're rooting down through the finger pads. You're feeling the entire palm push down to protect the wrists. Then you tuck your toes, lift your knees up, and allow the hips to go up and back. And just observe this shape, right? It's an inverted V shape. From there, you push through the palms and allow the shoulder blades to wing up towards the pinky fingers. So that's quite different than sinking into the shoulders, right? You're actually allowing the shoulder blades to rise up and the inner shoulder blade to drop down. Cool? That protects your shoulder as you're in this inverted shape. So you're pushing through the hands, allowing the shoulder girdles to wing up. And then from there, the tailbone is kind of interesting. You're lifting it up towards the sky, and you're feeling this length in the low back and this deep opening in the hamstrings. If you're newer to yoga, you'll probably feel the hamstrings kind of pulling you under, and you'll feel like you're more in a U type of shape. If that's you, take a soft bend to your knees, and then flare the sit bones up, which is just a pretty way to say stick your butt out. Yeah? And then from there, your knees will stay bent as you're pushing through the hands. That's what your down dog looks like. Over time, you might be able to start to lengthen the legs out and keep the tail high. If you do that and it just pulls you back to that U shape, then keep the knees bent to let the tail flare.